Hello everyone. So let us look at the solution today for the definition of reading a string and a number and then truncating the string to those many words as indicated by the number entered by the user. So I have two text boxes here and two text box values are fetched. Now the second one is supposed to be a number. We will make an assumption that it is a number and it is correctly entered as an integer number. So we are not going to do any validation on the numeric input. So I would need array. So I'm going to convert my string a into an array. So let me take c equals, use the split method and we will split on the space here. I would need another array for which I'm going to first find out what is the length of the array C. So because ultimately I'm going to capture those many words from the array C and store it in array D. So the array D is going to be an array with the maximum size of the number of words that are there in array C. Or simply put, array D would contain the size which is equal to the number of elements that have been created in the array C. So if there are 5 words in the string, C will have 5 elements. Each element is a word, and D's maximum length would be equal to 5. Right? Having done this, I'm going to create a few more variables. Okay, I would need A, and I would need the final string. And if any more variables are required, we'll add them later. So first thing I'm going to find out is what is the length of the string that is expected, that is there in B. Now, if B is the number of words that we have to capture from A, then it should be less than the length of the actual number of words in A. So I will have to check if B is less than n. That means the number of words we are trying to capture is less than n. Then we will do the extraction. Otherwise, if b is equal to n or b is greater than n, we will simply, without bothering, display the original string a as it is. So if the number of words that we are looking for is extracting is greater than the length of the string or is equal to the length of the string, then we will not do any processing. Now, if the number of words you are expecting is less than the length of the string, then we will write a for loop and we will extract one element from the array C and put it in D. So we will simply write in D of I is equal to C of I. So the ith element from C will be stored in D. Now this will not go on till n. We will take only B number of words. So I'll do it like this. And then finally, once those many words have been captured, we will recreate our string by saying join using the space. And then we will display the string. Right? So you may want to draw it and take a dry run of this and see how this is working. But for now, let us go and execute this code. So okay, this is a string I made and I want to extract only 4 characters. So it says this is a string. Had I said 5 characters, 5 words, not characters, this is a string I. And if I said 6, then the entire string. If I said more than 6, maybe 9. the entire string. I said 2 words and it gives me 2 words. When I say 0 words, it gives me an empty string. So my code is working just perfect. Try this, and in the next video, we'll catch up with a new definition.